Here's our guy. Here's our guy. Looking good. Yep. He's looking good.
Oh.
Just gonna dry him off, and then we're just gonna dry him off. Put a diaper on him. And we're ready to go, Donnie.
Oh. Okay. Just gonna get your head all warm.
Look at you. Look at you. You're good as new. You are good as new. Yep. This is how you do it, sports fans. Yep. The cleanest boy in the block. The cleanest boy in the block.
Oh, my baby.
These are
Look
little,
at you.
our little tadpole.
Look at you. Oh, okay.
I know. Oops, okay, we'll get that off your head. Okay.
Okay, Zach, time to get a new diaper.
Go upstairs, okay?
Let's get changed.
Here we go.
Okay.